Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 27th April 2024. In this video I will teach you 15 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Recently died, who is known as the father of Indian psychology?
Answer is Sudhir Kakar. Sudhir Kakar, the father of Indian psychology, died on 22nd April 2024 at the age of 85. He was a famous writer and cultural critic. Sudhir Kakar was born in 1938 in Nainital, Uttarakhand. He has left an unforgettable mark in the field of psychoanalysis in India. Among his major books, The Inner World, a psychoanalytic study of childhood and society in India, was quite famous.
Question number 2. India's first multipurpose green hydrogen pilot project was inaugurated by.
Answer is SJVN Limited. On 23rd April 2024, Geeta Kapoor, Chairman and MD of Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam, SJVN Limited, inaugurated India's first multipurpose, combined heat and power, green hydrogen pilot project at the 1500 megawatt, Nathpa Jhakri Hydro Power Station, NJHPS, in Jhakri, Himachal Pradesh. The project aims to produce green hydrogen through renewable energy sources.
Question number 3. Who has been conferred the Outstanding PSU of the Year award by IMA?
Answer is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, received the Outstanding Public Sector Undertaking, PSU, of the Year award at the All India Management Association, IMA, Managing India Awards. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar presented the award in Delhi on 23rd April. HAL achieved record revenue of over 29,810 crore rupees in the fiscal year ending 31st March 2024, marking an impressive 11% growth. Dear student, if you like my content, please press the like button. Please share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs video.
Question number 4. Who was elected as the chairman of the Athletes Commission of Wrestling Federation of India, WFI?
Answer is Narsingh Yadav. Former Commonwealth Games gold medalist Narsingh Pancham Yadav was elected the chairman of the Athletes Commission of the Wrestling Federation of India, WFI, on 24th April 2024. Narsingh Pancham Yadav, born 6 August 1989, is an Indian wrestler. At the 2010 Commonwealth Games, he won the gold medal in the men's freestyle 74 kilograms category.
Question number 5. Recently Shompen tribe has done historic voting. Where is this tribe found?
Answer is Nicobar Islands. Marking a historic first in India's electoral journey, the Shompen tribe, a particularly vulnerable tribal group, PVTGs, of the Great Nicobar Islands voted for the lone Lok Sabha seat in the Union Territory. A total of 7 members of the tribal group not only voted but also posed for selfies at polling station 411, which was named Shompen Hut.
Question number 6. Amitbah Chaudhary has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of.
Answer is Axis Bank. Amitabh Chaudhary has been reappointed as the Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of Axis Bank. The board of the Axis Bank approved the reappointment of Amitabh Chaudhry for the next 3 years, effective 1st January 2025. This was the second extension for Amitabh Chaudhry. Amitabh Chaudhry was appointed as the MD and CEO of the Axis Bank in 2019.
Question number 7. Recently, whose term extended as the Deputy Governor of RBI?
Answer is T. Ravi Shankar. The Government of India has extended the term of T. Ravi Shankar as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India, RBI, for 1 more year with effect from 3rd May 2024 or until further orders, whichever is earlier. He was appointed as the Deputy Governor of RBI in May 2021 for a period of 3 years. He joined the Reserve Bank of India in 1990 and has worked in various departments of the RBI.
Question number 8. Who has represented India at the 12th International Meeting of High-Ranking Officials Responsible for Security Matters?
Answer is Ajit Doval. The 12th International Meeting of High-Ranking Officials Responsible for Security Matters was organized by Russia at St. Petersburg, Russia from 22nd to 25th April 2024. Delegates and senior high-ranking officials of 106 countries attended the meeting. NSA Ajit Doval was on a visit to Russia to attend the 12th International Meeting of High-Ranking Officials Responsible for Security Matters.
Question number 9. Which country is the origin of the Crystal Maze-2 missile?
Answer is Israel. India's Strategic Forces Command has successfully tested a new model of its medium-range ballistic missile, Crystal Maze-2. The missile has a range of over 250 kilometers and was launched from a Su-30 MKI fighter jet in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This missile is believed to be the Crystal Maze-2, also known as ROX, of Israeli origin. India is currently developing its own version of the Crystal Maze-2 missile.
Question number 10. Which nation recently passed foreign aid bill to provide military aid to Ukraine?
Answer is USA. President Joe Biden has signed a military aid package to Ukraine after months of debate and negotiation. The Senate has passed an aid package worth $95 billion, which includes $61 billion in aid to Ukraine, remaining for others. The US government said it will start sending military supplies to Ukraine.
Question number 11. The fourth session of the Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee, INC-4, was begin in.
Answer is Canada. The fourth session of the Intergovernmental Negotiating Committee, INC-4, began in Ottawa, Canada. The committee is working towards developing an international legally binding instrument to address plastic pollution, including in the marine environment. INC-5 will take place in Busan, the Republic of Korea, from 25th November to 2nd December 2024 and is intended to conclude the INC process. After INC-5, a diplomatic conference will be held where heads of state will sign the agreement.
Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Surrey Infrastructure Finance Limited?
Answer is Hardyal Prasad. The board of Surrey Infrastructure Finance Limited, SIFL, managed by the National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, NACL, has appointed Hardyal Prasad as its new Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO. Previously, he served as MD and CEO of SBI Cards and Payment Services Ltd and PNB Housing Finance Ltd.
Question number 13. Who has launched a lightweight artificial intelligence model, Phi 3 Mini?
Answer is Microsoft. Microsoft has launched Phi 3 Mini, a freely available, lightweight small language AI model. The model is meant to be simpler and cheaper compared to other heavyweight large language models like OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo. This model boasts impressive capabilities while remaining efficient enough to run on smartphones.
Question number 14. Where has ISRO chief recently opened Digantara headquarters for space security?
Answer is Bangalore. Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, Chairman S. Somanath has inaugurated the global headquarters of space sector startup Digantara, which is gearing to launch the first ever space surveillance satellite in Bangalore. The headquarters, spread across 25,000 square feet area in Hubbell, comprises a satellite assembly, integration and testing (AIT) facility and a command and control center for providing comprehensive space domain awareness.
Question number 15. World Stationery Day is celebrated every year on.
Answer is last Wednesday of April. World Stationery Day is celebrated every year on the last Wednesday of April. This year World Stationery Day 2024 was observed on the 24th April. World Stationery Day is celebrated every year since 2012 to honor the 800th anniversary of the creation of the Magna Carta, which is one of the most important written documents in British history. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number 9700200378.